Good evening to all the viewers, learners who is watching me right now. I am Muhammad Asghar Ali. Today I would love to throw an impact. I have been in the field of teaching from past 5 to 6 years. Okay, I'm a passionate learner. I have been even knowing from many of my students. I've been teaching to IIT students, like engineering students. So what basically I found is like many of the students had some kind of a different aim, but because of the parents, like basically they have been dealing with a different kind of aspect, like they shift their aims. Okay, what the parents they want them to be, they try to fulfill the wish of the parents. But here, do you feel that this has even happened with you? What make you realize that you have to focus on your satisfaction? Did you ever go through your satisfaction? Yeah, like although you might have been fulfilling your parents wishes, but did it satisfy your heart and your soul? Ultimately it's you. Okay, it's you who need to feel not only financially strong, even your heart must be satisfied when you just try to do something. So what today I would love to throw an impact. Ask to yourself, like what was the thing, like why are you not satisfied although you might be a successful engineer, a doctor, a lawyer, as per the wishes of your parents. Okay, it was not your wish, you had a wish of someone's to satisfy. Okay, so you did for the sake of your parents, but did it satisfy your heart? Did it satisfy your soul? Although you might be doing the job, but you are still not satisfied spiritually, emotionally. Okay, might be financially you might be satisfied, but there's something that you lacks. So let us throw an impact. Many of my students have always asked me, sir, okay, this they always ask me, what should I do actually to be successful in a life? Okay, so the first thing, being successful, it doesn't mean just only like earning financially good. It even means satisfying your soul thoroughly. Like you must be having an like intent feeling of yours, your inner soul must be happy. So I would rather suggest you, like, make your passion, there's something called passion, you love doing it, you basically feel very happy, you love doing that thing. Okay, so I would love you all suggest to make your passion as your profession. Now what does passion means? Anything which you love to do, which you feel it very easy, like you don't feel as if like a work at all, you don't feel it like a burden. Okay, many of the people, like students, ask me, sir, how can we realize our passion? Like I have suggested them basically like to make the passion as the profession, but they basically feel like, sir, how to realize this passion? They put down a question to me. Okay, so for all those learners, for all the viewers who are watching me right now, I would love to tell you that your most important thing, how can you recognize your passion at an early age, is like you start doing that thing, you basically feel very happy, you find it very interesting, you start love doing those things. You don't feel like a work, you feel it like it's, yeah, it is a part, like it's my left hand work, I can make it this. Okay, but apart from that, although you're making your passion as your profession, you have to see the other factors also, like what is the level you are reaching through your passion. Okay, even the level matters. For example, you might be a barber, but it is of a national level, it matters. Okay, you might be a good professional in the field of it, it matters. Okay, it makes a difference. Okay, even the level matters, although it's a passion, I agree. Whatever you want to, I told you that to make your passion as your profession, but apart from that, you need to even concentrate on the levels, like the basic requirement is being satisfied. Okay, whatever the things you require for your food, clothing and sheltering must be satisfied, your basic necessity, whatever is required. So I would love to tell you all that first make your soul even satisfied, choose such kind of things as your profession where you literally feel very happy, like you'll start love doing those things. Okay, I love teaching to my students. After teaching to my student, I get very relaxed, I don't feel it like a burden when compared to like as the other teachers. Okay, like they feel like we need to learn this, teach this. No, it's not required to do that. you know, you just try. I have given example of mine. Okay, it makes a difference. You know, ultimately you love doing those things which make you extremely brilliant from others is your passion actually. You know, you're extremely good at that thing. No one can stop you achieving your aim actually. So that's what I would love to convey to you all, that make your passion as your profession. It extremely one of a wonderful source that it even satisfy your heart. You are emotionally, spiritually, physically, mentally being satisfied. So I would love to say you that at last I would love to end it by saying only one thing, that even your soul needs spiritual food. So nourish it thoroughly with your passion. Okay, just don't make it physically satisfied. It even need to be satisfied emotionally, mentally, spiritually, as well as physically. Thank you, viewers. Thank you so much.